Proper nutrition. Ang wastong nutrisyon.
From the minute we're born, we're aging. Constant exposure to our environment, the things we eat, and stresses from both inside and outside our bodies all cause us to age over time. Aging is highly complex, but scientists are starting to understand what happens at the cellular and molecular levels. For example, healthy cells are damaged over time when our immune systems shift from reacting to short-term problems like injuries and infections to gradually producing chronic inflammation throughout the body. Time also gradually shortens the telomeres that act as protective caps for our DNA-containing chromosomes. These and other changes make our bodies less and less able to deal with stresses from inside and outside of our body, so when damage reaches a critical level, our cells, tissues, and organs may no longer perform normally, and our health starts to decline. The changes associated with aging start to happen on some level at day 1. We begin to experience their effects early in life. For example, we lose the ability to hear certain high-frequency sounds as teenagers. Our cognition and memory slowly decline after they peak in our mid-20s. The strength of our bones starts to decrease in our 30s. Female fertility sharply declines after 35. Age-related nearsightedness begins in our mid-40s. And our hair starts to gray and thin as early as our 30s and 40s. After the age of 50, the changes of aging become increasingly noticeable. And because aging is the biggest risk factor for most of the diseases that affect us as adults, the older we get, the higher our risk of chronic disease becomes. While scientists have not yet found a way to stop these processes of aging, they are learning more and more about how to maintain health throughout our lives. Some aspects of aging are out of our control, like our genetics and our family history, but we can educate ourselves about moderate risk factors and do our best to reduce them through healthy lifestyle and diet choices. Most of us can be healthy and active well into our later years if we take care of ourselves. It's no surprise that regular physical activity can help maintain a healthy weight, improve moods and sleep habits, and boost overall health. And it's clear that a well-balanced diet full of nutritious foods is critical to good health. But when it comes to understanding which foods are the best choices, much nutrition research has focused on how certain foods or nutrients may have a negative effect on health or even play a role in disease development. More recently, scientists have begun to explore and understand how nutrition may play a role in promoting healthy aging throughout all of life's stages. We are rapidly learning about what foods and nutrients should be emphasized in our diets and how they can enhance our health. Diets full of fruits and veggies, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and lean meats have proven health benefits like lowering blood pressure, improving glucose control and diabetes, weight loss, improving arthritis, and reducing the risk of cancer and cardiovascular events, to name a few. And we are learning more about the specific nutrients that can impact health. For example, plant pigments found in bright orange and red fruits and vegetables may prevent and slow the progression of eye diseases. Calcium helps to keep bones strong. B vitamins play a role in maintaining brain health. And flavonoids from many plants may improve the health of our cardiovascular systems. The bottom line is that you have the power to maintain and improve your health, add vitality to your years, and reduce your risk of disease. And it's never too late to make a change.
Kids, knowing the basic food groups will help you realize the importance of nutrient-dense foods. It means these are food rich in nutrients in your body. Nutrients are substances in food that are needed by your body to grow and develop. You need nutrients to repair your body cells and to get the energy you need for your day-to-day activities. Your body needs 5 kinds of nutrients. When you have this each day, you will look and feel your best. And the 5 kinds of nutrients your body needs are vitamins, minerals, protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Let's start with Vitamins. Vitamins are nutrients that help your body use protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Let's check this table. For the vitamin, it has vitamin A that keeps eyes, skin, and hair healthy. The food are butter, cheese, egg yolk, and green leafy vegetables. Second, the vitamin B1. It is necessary for nerve function. The foods are whole grain, cereals, poultry, and eggs. Third, vitamin B12. It is necessary for the formation of red blood cells. The foods are red meat, liver, milk, eggs, and cheese. For the fourth, vitamin C. It is necessary for strong bones. And the foods are citrus fruits and green vegetables. For fifth, the vitamin D. It is necessary for the formation of bones and teeth. And the foods are dairy products and fish liver oil. And lastly, the vitamin K. It is necessary for normal blood clotting. And it can be get through green leafy vegetables. Now let's move on to minerals. Minerals are nutrients that are involved in providing energy for your body. Ibig sabihin po, ang inereheyang kinakailangan ng ating katawan. So in this table, minerals include calcium that makes up bones and teeth. Ang maaari pa nating pagkukunan ng calcium ay ang milk, cheese, clams, and oysters. Second, iron. It makes up blood cells. And its sources are liver, lean meats, and shellfish. Third, the phosphorus. It plays an essential role in how the body stores and uses energy. And it can be get through milk, whole grain, and cereals. Fourth, potassium. It keeps the balance of fluids in the body. And we can get through fruits, milk, mixed cereals. Copper. It is necessary for the production of hemoglobin in red blood cells. We can get this through liver, shellfish, whole grains, poultry, and nuts. And lastly, the iodine. It is necessary for the production of the thyroid gland hormone. The iodized salts, clams, lobsters, and oysters are its sources. Now let's move on. Let's proceed in protein. Proteins are nutrients needed for growth and for the repair of body cells. Food that contain proteins are fish, chicken, egg, milk, and cheese. For carbohydrates, carbohydrates are nutrients which serves as the body's main source of energy. Sugar and starch are carbohydrates. Fats. Fats are nutrients that provide the body with energy. They also help the body store vitamins. Now kids, knowing healthy alternatives. Now that you know the importance of nutrients and what they do to your body, you should start eating healthy. Kids, for your activity this morning, collect a food label or pictures of your daily meal. Step 2. Classify the food into the following categories: protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals, and junk food. Third, create a pie graph. Use the pictures and see the step 1 and the information in step 2. Paste it all on a sheet of bond paper. And lastly, interpret your graph. For A, which group occupied the biggest portion of your graph? And for B, what does your graph tell you? Goodbye